It is my great pleasure to introduce you to our speaker that will be opening our online workshop today, Professor Shahbaz, Director of UNESCO Office Jakarta, on behalf of the co-organizers, UNESCO, UNESCAP, GWP, and UNECE. I would like to begin by handing over the floor to Professor Shahbaz for his opening remarks. Thank you. Shahbaz, over to you.
Very good afternoon to all of you, and I welcome all partners, especially our United Nations Economic Commissions in Europe, UNECE, and our Economic Commission for the Asia Pacific, UNESCAP. Thank you very much for the partnership with UNESCO, International Hydrological Program, and also our Global Water Partnership colleagues. This is a very important meeting, and I see from the program, it has the enriching knowledge from many colleagues. I know them personally, and also from UNESCO centers such as IGRAC. So all of you are most welcome to this very important training you have organized together for supporting SDGs, and especially for the Sustainable Development Goal number 6. And within that, the indicator 6.5.2 about transboundary water cooperation. We need to look into transboundary water cooperation in the bigger context, as we are in a very difficult period in our life with COVID, and the importance of water, the access to water, as well as to sanitation has never been more important. Water is critical for dealing with this pandemic. Water is critical for achieving all 16 SDGs and the number 17, which is about the international cooperation. So international cooperation is at the heart of bringing colleagues together from within the region and from other regions. So I welcome all the water experts from different ministries within the region. I'm sure you will contribute in a wonderful way for enhancing the understanding. And I'm also very pleased to see the contributions which are coming from other regions, the experts who are going to enrich us with their knowledge. How do we understand where is the baseline for transboundary water cooperation? How do we understand this particular indicator 6.5.2, how it fits into the integrated water resources management, the SDG target 6.5 itself? Where do we start in establishing our understanding of the key challenges, both for the surface water as well as for the groundwater, as in our region and as in other regions? Many of the surface water, the big rivers, we are sharing across boundaries. Groundwater aquifers, we are sharing across boundaries. If we have to solve the problems related to climate change and water management, and especially in the context of floods, in the context of droughts, in the context of water quality challenges, we need to promote a better understanding and better cooperation across borders. So that's where this is a critical one. And UNESCO, especially our colleagues in headquarters with their work related to groundwater and the International Hydrological Program, have been working with a range of stakeholders, and so our colleagues in the region from UNESCAP as well as UNESCO, and of course with the strong cooperation of UNECE and the Global Water Partnership and the mechanisms we have for cooperation through the Asia Pacific Water Forum. So I welcome you all to give us your understanding of how do we start where we are already for the this indicator 6.5.2. And as we are in this difficult period, the importance of peace has never been more important than ever before. And water can help create peace, it can help create cooperation across borders, and it can help us achieve the 2030 agenda, which is all SDGs from 1 to 17. And as I said before, the SDG number 17, international cooperation, for helping us making sure the water security and the sanitation can be provided to all, leaving no one behind. I look forward to the deliberations. And of course, while this is a virtual forum, but I'm sure in this virtual forum, we can be very proactive, like with the tools which Fanny has shown to us, and you can use all the means of chat box and the question answers so that we can collect all that information which can help us move forward towards better monitoring and understanding of this particular indicator 6.5.2. Thank you to all of you